we'll guide you through how to make comic background in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure Adobe Photoshop is open and your workspace is fully prepared for design work. Start by going to the top menu bar, clicking File, and selecting New to create a blank document canvas. For the best sunburst effect, set your canvas dimensions to a perfect square, such as 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels, ensuring balanced radial symmetry. Once your canvas is ready, navigate to the left toolbar and select the Gradient tool, which appears as a rectangle fading from dark to light. Next, move to the top Options bar, click the Gradient Color thumbnail, and choose a vibrant orange to yellow gradient combination for a bold comic-inspired look. Click at the very top edge of your canvas, then drag your mouse directly downward to the bottom edge in a straight line. Release your mouse button to apply a smooth linear gradient that fills the entire canvas with rich orange and yellow tones. Now, go to the Layers panel in the bottom right corner, right-click your active layer, and select Convert to Smart Object so all upcoming filters remain editable for future adjustments. After converting the layer, navigate to the top menu bar, click Filter, hover over Distort, and select Wave. In the Wave Filter Settings window, set the number of generators to exactly 20 for multiple repeated distortions. Adjust the wavelength minimum and maximum sliders to a range between 50 and 60. Then, move down to the amplitude settings and increase both the minimum and maximum values to their highest possible limits for dramatic distortion. On the right side, under Type, choose Square to create sharp, hard-edged wave lines instead of smooth curves. Leave the scale settings at their default 100%, then click OK to apply the wave effect. To transform these vertical distortions into a circular burst, return to the top menu, click Filter, hover over Distort, and select Polar Coordinates. In the small pop-up window, ensure Rectangular to Polar is selected. Click OK, and your distorted lines will instantly wrap into a classic comic book sunburst pattern radiating from the center. Your dynamic sunburst background is now complete. To finish the design, place your favorite superhero comic character in the center and apply a soft drop shadow effect for extra depth and visual impact.